Welcome to SAP Tech at Live Bangalore 2017. My name is Priti Dhingra. I'm a product manager with SAP. And with me today, I'm delighted to have Sven Denecken. So Sven is heading the product management team for SAP S4HANA. So it is a pleasure to have you here, Sven.
Thanks for having me, Priti.
And we are here to talk about the next generation intelligent ERP in the cloud. Yeah?
We do?
So we do know that in the agenda you have a strategy talk that you will deliver. So without giving too much away, could you give us a sneak peek into some of the key topics that you would be presenting?
Happy to do so. So I'm going to talk about the growth of the ERP market in the cloud. So by 2020, 60% of the workload of ERP going to be in the public cloud,
right?
Even for 40% of the largest clients. Okay. So we need to talk about the intuitiveness of the end user for the end user. So how can he leverage that intelligent ERP? We're going to talk about the innovation that is within high automation, using concepts from Leonardo like machine learning. We're going to talk about instantness, which is how can you consume an ERP in the cloud in weeks rather than months and activate what you want. So basically it's a balance between also large enterprise needs and speed. It is about how can you really activate it fast, still leverage all the security that the cloud will bring you. And the third topic, which definitely is important, was in the keynote as well, we're launching a software development kit on the platform. A good software as a service needs a good platform as a service strategy. And with that SDK, you can transparently connect to S4 on-prem or cloud, you can build your own apps, and you can of course increase the efficiency of the development, leveraging also anything that is out there in open source, which you would love to have.
Okay, fantastic. So lots to look forward to. So we are in Bangalore, and this is the second event of the year after Tech in Las Vegas. So could you share some insights into the ERP cloud market here in APJ?
Absolutely. So why don't we start in India? We're just now launching with 1711, which is next month, a solution here for the Indian market, focusing and zeroing down on professional services. And just in the next quarter, adding much more industries. We have seen in markets like ANZ, which are very close to cloud, partners like Plot IT, customers like Adidas going live, and now leveraging that simplified intelligent ERP I was talking about. And we see even in Southeast Asia, which just recently Trencel went live, that customers are increasingly adopting back to the statistics where it started.
Fantastic, okay. So you spoke about speed of innovation, and that truly is the value driver for our customers. So could you tell us a little bit about what is planned, what we can expect from the product in the coming future?
Yeah, let's start on what we have. And what we have is already based on that real-time platform that we all know. But that intuitive that comes out there, the real potential to tap into the data and connect with who are you, what your role, and we have read your data. This intuitiveness, this predictiveness is utmost important for an ERP of the future. Build on that, we're going to automate in ERP whatever we can automate. Why? Because this needs to be a different ERP than we used to do, or even I used to do. And that's why using concepts of machine learning is not a PhD concept somewhere out there, something that is happening now. And the degree of automation will bring the people into that intelligent ERP with full automation and also help them to consume with cloud. More than that, let's look at the end user. We're implementing already today digital assistants called SAP Copilot, and we've seen them on stage where you can use natural language interfaces to really speak to your ERP, but behind the scenes is analyzing in super fast speed all your data, knowing your role and giving you what you need so you can efficiently focus on the exceptions. So that is really the innovation, because there's no time and no sense just to build the same that we had now in the cloud, which many others do. We need that intelligent ERP, and the consumption speed, the innovation speed of the cloud, and specifically public cloud every quarter, and activate it very fast in days. This is what is actually not only coming, it's already here today. We'll keep investing there.
Right, fantastic stuff. So these are all the questions that I had from my side. Would you like to make some closing remarks, maybe how customers and partners can learn more about SAP S4HANA Cloud?
Yeah, and even that one is pretty simple. sap.com/S4SDK.
Yeah.
So go there as a partner, check out that SDK, build your application side by side, leveraging the transparency and the same data model we have in S4.
Okay.
The user experience based on SAP Fiori, the Leonardo underneath will give you that openness. The SAP Cloud Platform, using Cloud Foundry and open standards is important. The API hub that we just mentioned, because we need different speeds of innovation. And the beauty which I see from that platform for customers and partners is you can be even faster than a quarter, or you can do slower, because that is sometimes forgotten that not everything needs to be in quarters. You can now very agile decide where you build. And what we are basically doing with that combination of SaaS and PaaS is we're allowing also the existing customers, no matter what solution they use, to offboard their complexity to the platform to keep the core stable.
Right.
Because the core is the one that matters. As long as something being produced, shipped or paid, that core is needed, but it needs to change to the cloud.
All right, so those were some very valuable insights, and we truly see that SAP S/4HANA Cloud provides the power of the digital core, at the same time the speed and agility of the cloud computing. So it is the next generation business suite and the ERP in the cloud. So thank you so much for your time, Sven, and thank you all for watching us today.